Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with your favorite dishes and food. Today we make a Jamaican stew chicken. You know Chef Ricardo always have to come up with some ideas or something totally different. If you want me to cook it and make it for you, please write it below. Anyway, it's just to show you how to marinate your stew chicken at home. Basically, I want to emphasize to you sometimes we have to refresh back our brain and our mind. Is a long time I doesn't put up a video like that. But we have a lot of recipe on the YouTube channel about stew chicken, brown stew chicken, all kind of chicken. You name it, you claim it. So thank you so much guys for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more coming out. We got also new video and how to make your smoothie juice at home. And also you can donate and leave your comments and get a 50% off of my cookbook online. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Anyway, don't watch those green stuff because I just flush out my smoothie blender and just make some natural season. Chef Ricardo blending season, natural blending season. I just splash it out inside a while ago. Anyway, we're going to show you how to marinate stew chicken. How to marinate stew chicken. The most important thing that you have some natural blending season. Natural blending season can be made from spring onion, garlic, and all these things. I will put the link below. This is the way it look. I have a lot of stuff in it. Ginger, all these things in it. So I'm gonna scrape out the rest. Roughly about 2 tablespoons. All this operate, you just give it a lot of flavor, a lot of taste. Make the meat taste totally different when you're gonna cook it. So as you can see right here, that's it right there. So basically what I'm gonna do, I got some extra spring onion. I'm gonna just cut it up. Just on it like that. I got some thyme. I'm gonna put a full thyme on it also. A little bit of pepper. Some all-purpose season. That's 1 teaspoon. Look at extra clove of garlic, roughly about 4 cloves of garlic. Paprika is a must. Put a tablespoon of paprika. Chicken seasoning is a must. You don't have to if you doesn't like this season, guys. And some meat season, and then that's it. Not too much of this season. 1 teaspoon of meat season. That's it. Then we're gonna put some browning. That's 1.5 tablespoon of browning. All right. Browning, you can get that at any local shop to buy. Once you go to any supermarket or local shop, you just ask for some browning and you can get it to buy. So second thing what we're gonna do now is rub it up. Make sure you got on the gloves and make sure you wash your hand when you finish. So also you can put a little bit of vegetable oil if you like to, or if not, you don't have to. Just a little bit. Not too much. So this now you put it down for 24 hours and cook it the next day. Get a lot of flavor from it, guys. Really nice. That's stew chicken, or you marinate your stew chicken at home. So just look at that. The flavor, the taste and everything Wash your hand after. And make sure it doesn't touch anything concerned to your eye. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. We now want to come out with our Jamaican stew chicken and our brown stew chicken. Now and then, tips and ideas just to refresh back our brain and our mind. That's these things really stand out. Alright? Enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.